Hi guys, I hope you are all good. You already know this, your boy Alfredlion, Blue City Forex, the author of Asian Vacation Strategy. I want us to do analysis on Nas100, Nasdaq, and just before we jump into doing the analysis, I want us to understand on what's been influencing Nasdaq to fall, you understand? But I won't be going back to December. I think it's December, right? Yeah, December. Or I will just talk about last week. Last week, what happened last week? So the market has been this much bearish last week because of the Ukraine and Russian war. Surely you have read about that on the internet. Surely you have read about that on the internet. So, what does this mean? Actually, it simply means that even the news, like the fundamentals, they do affect the market, because most of technical traders, they do not really like rely on the fundamental side, the news release. Whenever there is the news release, guys, you should understand that the market, one way or the other, is going to be affected. It's either going to be, positive or negative volatile. You understand? It's going to produce either one of them. However, what you should keep in mind is that whenever there are news out there, you should know on which side are these news favoring the market. Is it the bullish side or the bearish side? So you can trade based on that sometimes, you understand? Or if ever you want to be safe, you can stay away from the market whenever there are news release and all those things. Because of really last week, I would say it surprised a lot of traders because of technical traders expected the market to be bullish and all those things. No reversal, and as they quote most of them that you buy Nasdaq and sleep, of which times are changing, guys. Things are changing, and yeah. So I would say based on the news, if ever Russia is going to fully invade Ukraine with war, the Nasdaq is going to do what? Is going to continue fall. You understand? Because of what happened last week is that it was reported that Russia is withdrawing its troops. It's the their soldiers from Ukraine borders. You understand? It was reported that way, but then another report came and said that bit by bit they are like again approaching the borders of Ukraine. They did not really withdraw, so the market continued to fall. You understand? So it simply means that it does affect the market. So let me not dwell too much on the news on the fundamental side. I am a technical trader. Of course, I do rely on fundamental or news sometimes to be safe, for the signals and all those things, to not be caught on a volatile market that is trading against me. You understand? So sometimes news, they give me signals and all those things. So let's get into the technical world. I would like to go to 1 hour. I would like to go to 1 hour. As we are switching to 1 hour, what I want you to know is that for this coming week, you must rely on the news. You must go to CNBC. Yeah, you can go to CNBC. Just keep on checking up time after time, keep on checking up. They will be updating there on what's happening, whether the Ukrainians are winning the talks or what's going on. You understand? So yeah, you will get to know what to do on the market and how to play safe. So let's get to technical world. Technically, as we all know, guys, that when we start analyzing, we start from daily, 4 hour, and all those things. But we have already done this. I think like 2 weeks back, I had a video on USA 30 on us or something like that. But yeah, we had a video, so I won't be going back to daily to explain everything and all those things. I will just go right straight to the point. What I am planning this week and what could be part of your plan, what you can like take from the analysis, you understand? So first of all, as you all know that, guys, we need to start highlighting our support. our support area where it's going to give us a reversal prices, and all those things. As we all know that they say buy low, sell high. So this is our low, guys. This is our support area where we are expecting to buy. Like each and every time when the market gets here, we expect to buy. However, we cannot be one side minded that each and every time when the market gets to support, we buy. No, we must like also expect bearish movements at support, whereby it's going to do a breakout. You understand? But what you need to keep in mind is that whenever there are going to be reversal patterns, reversal candlesticks on a support, that's where we expect to buy. You understand? So without any waste of time, I would like to use a Fib retracement. My Fibonacci retracement, it does not have a lot of levels. It's just 100% level, 50% level, and a 0% level. I use these levels to understand the important key areas so that I do not highlight each and every minor support and minor resistance that the market is creating. But these Fibonacci levels, they help me to take the only important ones that I know that I use like all the times when I trade, when I analyze. These are the levels that I use. I have to get three levels: resistance, support, and a resistance, which is between resistance and support, and lastly, the support area. You understand? So these are my three levels that I depend on whenever I am analyzing and I want to get what a direction for the market. So what happened past then is that the market was bearish and we were in this channel right here, which I can indicate with a trend line. We have a channel right here, guys. You understand? The market was like bearish and all those things. It gave us a breakout right here. Of course, we expected the market to be bullish. However, it got trapped here on this previous resistance. As you can see, the prices won't respect really straight as we expect, but then this was a support. Once breakout, and then it became a resistance. Market went down and now it's coming to be what, a resistance. It went down after these prices, so we are no longer focusing on those prices. We come and focus on this new structure that we are seeing right here. The market will always create structures, and what I want you to know about structures is that when the market is forming a bearish structure, like a descending structure, it's giving an indication that the prices may rise. You understand? So falling structures give signals on coming rising prices. You understand? So from this area right here, we can clearly see that the market created a descending structure, and on this descending structure the market got to our support. This is our support area, whereby prices are supporting what, are supporting the previous prices in respecting the movement of prices, the nature of the market, I mean. So yes, guys, this is what's happening right here. When the market gets to a support, of course, as I have said, that we are expecting to do what, we are expecting buys. But let's not be one-sided, because of now, whenever the Russians are going to invade Ukraine, Nas100 will continue to do what, will continue to fall. It will break out and give us a retest right there, or any continuation bearish pattern right here, and then continue to go down. You understand? So this is also another expectation, but then we cannot like be we cannot stop trading just because of we also expect the market to fall. However, we should stick to a certain plan, knowing the confirmations and all that. So this is what we are seeing right here, that the market, whenever it gets to this support, it does not like shoot right back straight to the upside, but it plays a bit, guys. So this is what we must expect. What I can advise you is that tomorrow, it's Monday, market is opening. Just watch the market movement. You understand? Just watch the market movement. What is it doing? Is it giving any signs to buy? Is it giving any signals that it's reversing and all those things? And this is where you are going to start looking for what? Start looking for buys, guys, on this area right here. But don't just jump into buys. You must understand the reversals, the confirmations, and all those things. Okay. Just in here, guys, we can also see that we are having another descending channel right here. We have another descending channel, of which you can also rely onto this descending channel. You understand? It's 1 and 2. It's 1 and 2, and then yeah. But I do not like to stick on these mini patterns, because of, indices can be funny sometimes. They are going to give you this sign and then they break out. Whenever you are burning, they turn inside that structure. You understand? So that's why I say you will need clear reversal patterns, guys, on how to trade all these things. You understand? So let me make things clear here, guys. Let me make things clear. Where is for our 4 hour? This is the plan for next week. Okay, we are planning to buy Nasdaq on this area right here. Whenever we see reversal prices, let me do this. Whenever we see any reversal patterns, we are going to buy the market up to there. Expect the market to break this structure. You understand? So yeah, these are my analysis, guys, based on the technical price action that I'm seeing right here, and then of course the 90% rule. So yeah, you see, I'm not I got that 90% rule fine. So this is going to be the trading plan for next week. We're expecting to buy right here. So what I can say to conclude the analysis that I have done right here is that you should check the news all the time, the updates on what's going on. If the Ukrainians are going to win the war, are going to win the talks, and Russia won't invade Ukraine, will stop the war against Ukraine, it's where then the market is going to be bullish, whereby we are going to expect indices stocks to start going up. But if ever the Russians are going to invade Ukraine, they are going to start a war, that's where then we can say we are at pause with buying. We can start to expect sales and all those things. But when the market is going to be selling, I won't be like participating like full time and all those things. I'll just look for bearish continuations and all those things. You understand? So yeah, this is my analysis, guys, and this is what I think next week is going to happen. So yeah, I'll keep updates in my Telegram groups. I will leave contacts behind. Sorry, excuse me. I will leave contacts below the video and all those things, so you can join our team if ever you want to be updated and understand on what will be going on in the market. Otherwise, have a blessed trading week and all the best, guys. Peace out.